Time. What a nice day to fly today. My engines feel a bit loose, but I guess it's fine. Take off. Wee. Bro, what's wrong with my engine?
All right, Emma, head out.
Bro, engine 2, what the hell? Oh no, my engine, I need that. Bro, how did my engine just fly off? Oh no, my bank angle alarm. I'm not surviving this. Why am I at DC-10?
Dang, it's kind of stormy today. The floor is so wet and slippery. Can't wait to have my tea and biscuits once I land, mate. Let's get the engines running. Taking off soon. JK taking off now. WEEEEEE. Lift off. Oh, for pity's sake, why is it so foggy, mate? Hey ATC, any rain?
Yes, and rain expected soon, in around maybe 10 minutes.
Okay, thanks for the info.
No problem.
Alright, let's gain some altitude. I think I'm going a bit too steep, but that's fine. Oh crap, wait, I'm stalling. I can't pull out of IT. Can I at least have one more biscuit with tea? IT has not even been a minute. Why did I think pulling up so steep was okay? Tell the Queen Her Majesty I love her.
Alright, after a long time of flying, time to land. Asiana Airlines Flight 214 requesting to land.
You are clear to land Asiana Airlines Flight 214 on runway 28 liters.
Alright, let's hope I get a good approach and butter this landing. Approach is pretty good. Let's butter this. Pilot, don't you think we are a bit too low?
Nah, mate, we're fine.
Then what's that noise?
Too low. Terrain.
It should be nothing.
Well, of course it's something low. I'm trying to, man.
Terrain. Too low.
Oh, shit.
Oh, what was that? My 410 is slides. I'm lifting up in the air. What is happening? I feel like I'm in an actual roller coaster. Thank God it has ended. I hate you, pilot.
Sorry, mate.
All right, one more flight after I land. Ow, my tail. Mark, what are you doing?
Crikey, mate. Sorry about that. I'm so tired, mate.
Bro, you are not the only one I have to stay in
All
hangars.
right, I get it. Chill. Let's just get ready for takeoff and have a nice last flight.
All right, the sky looks so beautiful. We are so high up in the air, I feel like a rocket ship. Something feels wrong with my tail. Do you feel that too? Oh God, my vertical stabilizer, I need that. Mark, control the plane before we crash.
I'm trying to.
The plane is refusing to move.
We need to land at the closest airport as quick as possible.
Okay, I'll deploy the landing gear.
Try to control the plane as hard as possible.
I can't. The vertical stabilizer is super important for the plane. Wait, we are going down. Oh no. Oh no.
Bro, what do you mean am I about to die?
I think so. Start praying.
Right, brothers, if you can hear me, make some sort of miracle. So the beautiful 747 does not crash. Oh shoot, bank angle. I think I am about to stop. Yep, I freaking UIT. What the White brothers will be very disappointed with you.
You're needing them too, mate. It's the end.
Bro, why did I have to be bold extremely not say 747? OWOWOWOW in burning. Mark, I hate you.
Man, it has been a long flight today. I also have been experiencing a lot of turbulence. I wonder who is my pilot?
It's me, mate.
Hi.
Hi.
I thought you died. Well, a big drop.
Oh God, my vertical stabilizer, I need that. Mark, control the plane before we crash.
I'm trying to.
You're needing them too, mate. It's the end.
Bro, why did I have to be bold extremely not say 747? OWOWOWOW in burning. Mark, I hate you.
Nah, mate, I survived.
You better butter this. Ouch, that was not butter. Mark, control the plane. Wait, am I about to die? Oh crap, oh crap.
And now, the one all of you aviation fans have been waiting for since the very start. Tenerife.
Bro KLM, can you move?
Lemma refuel, gimme a second.
Why in front of me, man? Or making me thirsty?
Aopan AM, what you mean by that?
Shut up, I did not mean it like that.
I had to say it, lol. Anyway, I'm done. Time to taxi.
Yeah, same. It's kind of foggy.
Yeah, I agree. Taking off. Let's go. Am I seeing things, or is that who I think it is? Bro, ping and move out of the damn way.
Oh, what are you doing?
Bro, I'm gonna crash into you, move. WCH, ouch. BRO, move, I'm gonna die.
Me to own nitrogen monoxide.
One last flight until bed. I have been flying for so long, but it has been worth it.
Bro, this is so boring. Want to fly off the plane mid-flight? Yeah, sure, engine 3.
Alright, this should be fun, Wee. I bet I look so cool with my engines. And going super fast on the runway. Into there I go, I guess. Well, a bit windy. This is gonna be a long flight. I should get rest.
3 to 1, go.
Bro, who said that? Oh, shoot my engines. Oh god, I am tilting. I need to do an emergency landing or else I am doomed. IT will definitely be hard without 2 of them Y for engines.
Don't worry, mate. I can control it.
Of course, Mark is the pilot.
I'm inevitable, lol.
Bro, that was such a good fly.
Mark, this is not a joke.
Well, mate, to me it is because I don't die.
Bro, of course you don't die until you crashed the planes. And did not die.
Damn, that hurt.
I don't care, we are about to die.
Bro, that's it. I'm crashing this harder. The JAL 123.
Wait, chilling, sorry, ma'am. Oh, nitrogen monoxide.
What a nice cloudy day to have a nice flight. I bet I look so cool in my livery. As long as Mark is not my pilot, I should be fine.
Hey, mate, how you doing?
For of course you're my pilot.
I'm everybody's pilot.
Whatever, let's just get ready with this flight. Hopefully we don't crash. We need. Mark, you better control the plane good this time.
I'll try my best, if anything happens.
Let's go. Bro, I bet I look so cool right now. Mark, aren't you pointing the nose a bit too high up? Wait, that's the cargo at the back. Mark, why are you always the pilot? You always crash. Oh, no, please. Right, brothers, don't target me through the next 747. Mark, I hate you so much. I'm gonna die because of you.